Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here with the Artsnacks Tombow box. It came later than the March box, but it was promised to those who were subscribing in March, so let's find out what's in here. I don't know. I mean, I'm assuming it's all products from Tombow, but we'll see what it is. Bow, bow, wow! Oh, it's all rolled up. Sneaky, sneaky. Okay, it looks like there's some paper and a bunch of little things. I'm gonna put that over here. I don't want to spoil anything. Got a lifesaver. Okay, I'm glad they included a little snack in this bonus box as well. So okay, I'm gonna take off the rubber band, and it looks like it's just like a sheet of paper. It's like thick. It feels kind of soft. I don't know. It's kind of weird paper, actually. Let's figure out what that is. We'll put it over here. Share your unboxing with us. Hashtag Artsnacks. Hashtag Artsnacks. Alright, what's in the green paper? I want to do this one by one. So, let's see if that's possible. They always wrap it and I'm like, whoa, okay. Tombow ABT Pro. I don't even know what that is. I guess it's like, oh, it's a chisel instead of a little bullet. And then it's a brush. Okay, that's cool. Alright, and this is a really pretty purple color. Wow, it looks blue on my camera. Why does that? It looks like a navy blue or something. It's like a bright purple. I don't know why my camera does that. I'm sorry, the color is off. Alright, let's push another thing out of here. What's this? Tombow Mono Drawing Pen 05. Okay. So yeah, it's just a fine liner. I wonder if it's like this dark blue color or if it's black. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna push another thing out. Weep. Okay, now this is a blue color. And they don't have names, they just have numbers, which is like the Tombow dual brush pens that I already have. But it is this nice blue color. They both look blue. They're not. They look so similar on my camera, but they're not. Alright. Ooh, is there a sticker? Ooh, there's a Tombow sticker. This is pretty. Okay. Nice. I hope there's that like green color in here. I hope that's a hint. Let's push something else out of here. Boop. Okay, highest quality Tombow Mono J HB high precision drafting. Okay, I gotta sharpen it myself, which is kind of annoying, but I'll do it, I guess. Now what else is in here? There's a few more things actually. Yes, I was right. It is this green color that was like shown in this. Oh, it's a pretty green color. I like this. Okay. Now I think there's two more things. So let's push this one out. Yellow. Oh, I'm so glad they included this color. This is so pretty. Yellow is so nice. And then one more, and it's a like a burgundy color. Little lighter, I guess, than burgundy. It's like a weird reddish purple color. So that's kind of weird, but interesting color combo here. No idea what I'm gonna make with it yet. But very, very cool. Let's put it in this order. Yeah, I like that order better. Alright, so let's actually take a look at these. Now, oh, alcohol based. That's what ABT, that's what that means. Alcohol based. Oh, so these are not water based, which kind of completely changes what I was going to do for this box, because I've been doing some stuff with Tombow's dual brush pens and water, and then making them like sort of watercolory. And I was like, I'm going to do this similar thing for this box. But nope, because it's alcohol. Oh, alcohol base markers. That's so exciting. I didn't know they had alcohol markers. Okay. Oh, this is a pretty little card. We're so excited to partner with Tombow and introduce art snackers to a totally new marker, the ABT Pro. After testing it over a year ago, we fell in love with this product and knew it deserved its own box. This palette of 5 colors was specially curated by the Artsnacks team, so you won't find this combo anywhere else. We hope these deep jewel tone hues inspire you to create something beautiful, the Artsnacks team. Alright, here's what's on the menu for the Tombow ABT Pro bonus box. Okay, Mono J drawing pencils. HB and 2B. I only got HB. There's not another one in here, is there? So I might be emailing them about that, since it looks like I just got HB. So, or no. It looks like you might get one or the other, because this pen is also 05. Okay, that's kind of confusing. Alright, sorry. I will read it now. Mono J drawing pencils. For over 100 years, Tombow has been producing high-quality wood case pencils. Extra refined, high-density graphite allows smooth drawing and crisp, dark lines. Perfectly centered lead core adhered throughout entire wood case for break-resistant lead. Even sharpening and slow wear for sharp point retention. Mono drawing pens. 01, 03, and 05, which I got the 05. Water-based pigment ink drawing pens produce smooth, skip-free drawing and writing with no smudging. Ink dries instantly. Ooh. Durable nibs withstand firm pressure without bending tips, ensuring steady ink flow. Great for use with drawing, marker, watercolor, and mixed media paper. Odorless, black ink, non-refillable. Alright, and the ABT Pro alcohol-based marker is new. Oh yeah, I forgot to say what these cost. So the pencil, a 6-pack is $6.99 retail, and the drawing pens, a 3-pack is $8.67 retail. And then these markers are open stock is $5.49 retail. 5-pack sets go for $26.99 retail. Okay, so the ABT Pro is a permanent dual-tipped art marker with flexible brush tip and chisel tip in one. Brush tip works like a paintbrush to create fine, medium, or bold strokes by simply changing brush pressure. Chisel tip provides consistent lines and broad coverage for coloring large spaces. Single ink reservoir for both tips ensures you won't run out of ink on one side. Permanent, fast-drying alcohol-based ink produces rich, vibrant colors that can be layered to create rich saturation, shading, and color gradation. And yeah, that's just telling you all the different packs you can get. So that's cool. This is the Tombow bonus box. They didn't talk about the paper, so this random paper is just in here. I don't know what kind of paper it is, but it's cool they included it. I am gonna go ahead and do some swatching if I can find some paper that's not like watercolor paper. I know I should have been prepared for this, but I'm not prepared. So I'm just gonna grab my sketchbook and we're just gonna go ahead and swatch in here. And since this is a page where I'm gonna be working with Copics, I will go ahead, since this will probably bleed through to the next page. Let's put something in there so it won't bleed through, just in case, because I don't know how these markers work. So yeah, if you just wanted to stick around for the unboxing, that is done. See you later. I'm gonna just swatch these out real fast, just so I can get a feel for them, except for the pencil, because I'm not gonna sharpen that. I'm not gonna take the time to do that right now. So we are gonna do the yellow. Oh, so pretty. I really like that color. I wish it had a name. I don't like when they just have numbers, honestly. Like, it's kind of annoying. Looks like they layer pretty good. It's unfortunate that they didn't give, like, colors close to each other, because It's kind of like, how can you figure out if they blend well when you only have colors like that are so far away from each other? Like, these colors might be difficult to blend with Copic markers. Which I kind of like, sort of compare everything to Copic, just because I love Copics, and I don't know, it's just, I guess, my standard. Oh, this is kind of a dark blue. Kind of a, I kind of wanted a lighter one, but that's okay. It's kind of deep. Whoa, that cap didn't feel like it was really on. Whoa, this purple is way darker than I thought it would be. I feel like that's way darker than the cap, but maybe not. Maybe it looks about the same. I got Frozen 2 outtake songs stuck in my head. Like, not even the ones that are in the movie. Because I've been listening to those. Ooh, I like this color. This one's pretty. It's pretty. Yeah, so I really, really like these three colors. Not as crazy about the blue and the purple, just because of, like, I don't know how dark they are, I guess. Like, I don't know. This is like a normal fine liner. I don't really see anything special about it. But it seems to work pretty good. They did say the ink dries fast, and, well, I did smudge it a little there, so, lies. But yeah, these colors are really pretty. Let's see if we can blend them real fast. Let's just do a little... That's right. Doesn't really, I mean, I think it's just these colors, honestly. Because it's like, how do you... I'm kind of getting a blend in there, but it doesn't look spectacular. It definitely looks very, like, patchy. But not terrible, I guess. Yeah, I don't know how this is blending out, really. I'm sure the purple and the blue would actually blend pretty well, but that's because they're, like, so close together. Yeah, these blend pretty good together. So, I mean, it seems like they blend when you have, like, colors that are easily blendable. Let's just try the purple and the pink real fast, and then I will be done with trying blending. Such a pretty color. I don't know why they had to give such dark colors with it. This one's not really blending so well. It's okay, but it looks kind of muddy in the middle there. I don't really like how that looks. So maybe not so much blending with these, although actually I don't hate how this looks now that it dries. The yellow to the greenish color. I just wish this blue and this purple were lighter color. I mean, I know you're supposed to have contrast or whatever, but I don't want it. I want it to be lighter, but I will figure out what the heck to draw with these. Maybe one of my characters or something. I really, really like these 3 colors a lot, so I'll be using these for things. These colors, not so much. Alright, thank you guys for joining me on the Tombow unboxing. And yeah, I hope that was interesting. I know it was mostly just me messing around with these markers, but they're pretty cool. Alcohol-based Tombow markers. That's definitely an interesting concept. So I was expecting water-based. So I'm kind of glad it was like something new and not something I already had. I was a little worried that we were going to get dual brush pens, and I already have a lot. So I was like, I might get duplicate colors. But nope, these are brand new. So that's pretty cool. Don't really care about pencils because I don't use graphite pencils. Like, I sketch in color. I don't sketch in pencil because I just don't want to. But I can't really complain because this was a bonus box. It's not like I paid for this box. I paid for the March box and I got this in addition for free, and I definitely think like this box plus the March box was 100% worth it. I mean the March box was almost worth it on its own, I would say, because the watercolor was pretty good. But this is definitely a great addition, and I'm very glad that I decided to resub for March so that I could get this extra special box. So thank you, Artsnacks. And even though I am not continuing to sub to them right now, I do like Artsnacks, and I think that the customer service is really awesome. I got a little worried because I needed to cancel my subscription after this month because I just didn't have enough money to sub again. And their policy says, like, I don't know, something like if you didn't receive your box yet, like, you won't get it if you in your subscription. And I was like, I didn't get the Tombow box yet, but like I'm about to be charged again for next month, and like I can't be, like, I don't have enough money for that, like, please help me. And they immediately helped me cancel my subscription, and we're like, your box is coming, don't worry. And it's awesome. Their customer service is always really, really great. So I find myself coming back to Artsnacks every now and then, even though I feel like Paletful Packs overall is more worth it for the money's value. But I like Artsnacks a lot as a company, I guess. So, yeah, thank you for this bonus box, and I will have lots of fun. And see you guys later. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you especially to my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. Love you guys. Bye, everyone.